Ka Liengsuiñ Kamai kong kabanyai na Delhi bait Shillong Sdang manher nadu ka arpui terik ta ubanai hakapor ship hawa jem step berkapoi ha Shillong hakapor ship je janmir kabamut ka chimpor lai kanta ship hawa minit anong badli manpoi sha umroi airport hagani ka Sdang lawan bansa kilangru law menteri gatna transport ubasnya balang dahar nolor kiwe ka jingpen bait kalong bakan her suatang arsin shitayo.
Today it's a great day for us, for the people of the state. Why I say this? Because today is the first day that our beloved state is connected by air with the national capital, Delhi. Please let us give a big hand to all of us. Yes, what CS point is very right. As per the schedule of this time, maybe today is the launching program, which is a very long awaited issue for so many years. And as per agreement with the Flybig is the flight should travel twice a week, which will start from 4th January. But I think a time will come, they have to start daily, I think. We need that. And one is a very, very important thing. I cannot give thanks to all the officers and even the MD partners under the leadership of our Chief Minister, Colonel Kesama. It's because of our Chief Minister who pushed me every now and then with my officer and Chief Secretary. We are sleepless. Actually, all of you must be aware that the tender for the Delhi Shillong Flybig has been called in the month of February. We have not made a mistake. And due to this pandemic, and for the last 6-7 months, we are delayed. But finally today that we are able to launch all this, which has been awaited for a long pending issue for the people of our state. And also the officer of the Transport Department and the Meghalaya Transport Corporation have worked very hard to ensure that this flight must be happen, and today we did it. So from my side as a minister, without you, it's not possible for me to work. And maybe without me, it's difficult. Therefore, teamwork is necessary in everything, in every part we do in this world. Maybe today is the flight we launched today is a 17-seater Q400 engine, which is a very, very good and smooth engine. Today, I had a talk with the CEO, Mr. Rao. I said, what flight is this? Small flight, but the engine is very cute and very smooth. When during flying time, it feels just like a big flight. So he said that even I informed the director of the institute, told me, no sir, Q400 engine is one of the best engine. So thank you so much for these facilities. But the only thing I would like to inform that the flight being routed today is 17-seater Q400, which is as per the contract agreement. But Flybig was supposed to arrange its own Q400 aircraft. But I understand that due to the COVID-19 pandemic has delayed their process. And since it is important to start the flight service to Delhi during this season, and therefore the government prevailed upon Flybig to make alternative arrangement till such time of its own aircraft is ready. That is why that's what coming today, as we have seen in this first journey. And this is one of the reasons that we keep pushing, so maybe it takes some time. But we as a state government, we want journey to start regular from the 4th January. And from my side as a minister, I would like to thank all the government officials once again before I conclude. It's because of them that we are here today with these beautiful missions.